Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to close your EQ bank account? Maybe you're switching banks, or perhaps you're simply looking to consolidate your finances. Whatever the reason, closing your EQ bank account might seem a bit daunting. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to walk you through the process step by step, making it as easy as possible. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand why you might want to close your EQ bank account. Perhaps you're dissatisfied with the interest rates, or maybe you're simply looking for a new banking experience. Whatever your reasons, it's important to consider your options carefully before making a decision. Now that we've established the context, let's get down to business and learn how to close your EQ bank account. Step 1. Gather your information. The first step in closing your EQ bank account is to gather all the necessary information. This includes your account number, your full name, and your current address. You may also need to provide additional documentation, such as proof of identity or a copy of your driver's license. Step 2. Contact EQ Bank. Once you have all the required information, it's time to contact EQ Bank. You can do this by phone, email, or online chat. When you reach out, be prepared to provide your account details and explain your intention to close the account. Step 3. Request a closure form. EQ Bank will likely provide you with a closure form. This form will ask for your personal information, as well as details about your account balance. Make sure to fill out the form accurately and completely. Step 4. Submit the closure form. After you've completed the closure form, you'll need to submit it to EQ Bank. You can do this by mail, email, or in person at a branch, if applicable. Step 5. Verify your identity. EQ Bank may require you to verify your identity before closing your account. This can be done by providing additional documentation, such as a copy of your passport or birth certificate. Step 6. Process your closure. Once EQ Bank has received your closure form and verified your identity, they will begin the process of closing your account. This may take a few days or weeks, depending on the volume of requests. Step 7. Receive your funds. After your account has been closed, EQ Bank will transfer your remaining funds to your designated bank account. Make sure to provide your new bank account information when you submit your closure form. Additional considerations. Fees. Some banks may charge a fee for closing an account. It's important to check with EQ Bank to see if there are any associated fees. Outstanding debts. If you have any outstanding debts, such as loans or credit card balances, you'll need to settle them before closing your account. Direct deposits. If you have direct deposits set up with EQ Bank, you'll need to update your information with the new bank where you want your funds to be deposited. Closing your EQ Bank account might seem like a daunting task, but by following these steps, you can make the process as smooth as possible. Remember to gather all the necessary information, contact EQ Bank, and submit the required documentation. With a little patience and organization, you'll be well on your way to closing your account and moving on to your next banking adventure. Have you ever closed an EQ Bank account? Share your experience in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.